Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make Skillet Cowboy rice casserole. We're going to start with 1 red pepper, and we're going to dice it. Make sure you take out that membrane. One poblano pepper, and we're going to dice the poblano as well. One medium onion, and we're going to dice the onion. Two cloves of garlic. We're going to mince them. Now you need 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. So just mince 2 tablespoons, if that's all you want, but we like a little bit more. And we're also going to use it for garnish too. Nice rough chop, nothing too fancy. And a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add olive oil to the pan. We're going to let that heat up, and then we're going to add the onions and the peppers. Now we're going to add the onions and peppers. We're going to cook until they start to brown. We're going to add 8 ounces of chorizo. And we're going to add 8 ounces of ground beef. Now that the meat is cooked, we're going to drain off the excess grease. Now that we've drained off the grease, we're going to add 2 packets of Azun Goya seasoning. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. Mix it in. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of rice. And we're going to add 4 cups of broth. We're going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And we're going to add in 1 can of pinto beans that's been rinsed and drained. Just going to add in 2 cups of frozen corn. And maybe get a skillet that's a little bit bigger that can handle all of this. We're going to turn the heat up to high. We're going to bring to a boil. Now that it's starting to boil, we're going to reduce heat to low. And we're going to cover. We're going to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we're going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to carefully mix in some cilantro. Sprinkle on 2 cups of shredded cheese. And then we're going to cover and let the cheese melt. Now that the cheese is melted, it's time to eat. Bon appetit. It was very good. It cost us $15 to make, and it serves 8 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.